Hello everyone, my name is Pritam Paul and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I will discuss about the installation process of DepC++. As you can see, I have a DepC++ here, which I have been uninstalled. Okay, uh, now I am going to show you how to download and install it. First of all, press the Chrome button. Okay, open the Chrome, and after that write DepC++ for I have Windows 10 operating system, that's why I have written Windows 10. Okay, okay, then this is the link. Go to the link and press the download button. Okay, and after pressing the download button, your download will start shortly. Okay, okay, downloading will be started soon. Okay, as you can see here, I have downloaded this. Okay, now okay, now let's go to the folder. Okay, I'm going to the download section and I have downloaded this. Okay, this is the setup file which I have downloaded before. Okay, that's why I have not downloaded right now. Okay, you guys just check it out, and if you have any doubt you can comment below there. Okay, I will sort them out. Okay, now as you can see, I have the setup file and I'm going to install it right now. Okay, so double click on the setup file, and after that press yes. Okay, let's wait for the completion of the unpacking data. Okay, now okay, I agree. Next, okay, select the destination folder. Okay, I have untouched it. Okay, now let's complete the extract. After installation, I will show you how to customize your editor. Okay, and I will show some features of DevC++, and I will write a C program and C++ program also to check either the compiler is okay or not. Okay, let's complete it. Okay, now you can uncheck here also, but I am not unchecking this because automatically it will run. Okay, okay, here DevC++. Okay, now I'm choosing the language as English. Okay, now next. Okay, all are same. I'm not changing all anything. Okay, now first of all, okay, I have erased this. Okay, now this is DevC++. Okay, now if you want to open a new file, new, and then source file. As you can see here, this is the keyboard shortcut Control N. So I am pressing Control N, and yeah, this is the editor. Okay, now I do not like this thing. Okay, so if I want to change it, so I have to go to tools, then editor option. Okay, there I can change my font. Okay, gutter width, size, and everything. Okay, uh, in colors I have to select a theme. I need to select. Okay, I am selecting plastic code wrap, and as you can see here, the highlighter of the current line is aqua color, but here this is black. That's why I need to change it. So I will go to the general and then highlight current line. I will change it to black. Okay, so that it could look more cooler. Okay, then okay, okay, as you can see. Now let's write a program. Hash include stdio dot h integer main enter. Welcome to my channel. Okay, now return 0 and okay. Now let's run this. To run, you have to compile first, and after that run. Okay, so you can do both things together by pressing F11, which is compile and run. Okay, welcome to my channel has been printed out. That means everything is okay. Now let's check for uh, C++. Okay, and here this is C out. Let's save it, Control S, or you can save here also, file, save as also. You can go there also. F11. Okay, what? Oh, sorry, I have not put using namespace. I'm really very sorry. Using namespace std. Okay, now let's run this. Okay, welcome to the my channel. Okay, if I didn't put this one, I need to write uh, std double colon c out, and after that also it will run. Okay, so everything is okay. Okay, so this is the simplest way to download and install the setup file of Dev C++ and install it and run any program. Okay, if you like this video, uh, share with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I will be uploading videos on C programming and data structures and algorithms also in near future. I will be uploading them one by one. So stay connected with me and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that every video could be reached to you, and you will be able to see all the videos. Okay, and if any kind of doubt is there, you can comment below there. And if you want me to make videos on any topic or anything, you can share with me. Go to the discussion tab of the YouTube channel, and after and there you can write it down, or you can mail me also. I will just give the mail ID in the description box. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay safe and stay connected with me.